The altitude, not altitude. The altitude means height, height of a triangle, right angle triangle. They mention. The altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. What does it mean? It means altitude is depend on base. So we have to start the answer solution from base. Let us assume base B x centimeter, then altitude becomes 7 centimeter less than base. Yes or no? Now, if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, hypotenuse is how much? Hypotenuse is how much? 13 centimeter. Find the other two sides. Let's say this is right angle triangle and hypotenuse is 13, base is x and height is, apply which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. What is that? What is that? Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height. Hypotenuse square 13 square, base square x square, height square x minus 7 whole square. 13 square 169 equals to x square. Apply which formula? A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Am I right? 169 minus 14x. No, 0 equals to, I am sending 169 to that side. That plus 169 becomes minus 160. And write the equation, no, decreasing order of highest degree of the polynomial. That is first square, next 14x, next plus 49 minus 169. Am I right, beta? Next 0 equals to 2x square minus 14x. How much this will be? How much this will be? Minus 120. Just observe all coefficients are even numbers. Shall I take 2 as common? Take x square minus 7x 60 into 2, take this side, divide 2, that is x square minus 7x minus 60. Now a into c, 1 into minus 60 is minus 60. Find two numbers such a way that if you multiply them you must get minus 60 and add or subtract them you must get minus 7. That is what? 12 by the 60, yes or no? And minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. Okay na? That is x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equals to 0. What is common in first two? X common. What left? X minus 12. What is common in first second two? 5. That is x minus 2. What is common in whole equation? X minus 12. What left? X plus 5. That plus 5, but that is not into 5. Next, one time x minus 12 equals to 0. One time x plus 5 equals to 0. X equals to 12. Here x equals to, this is, and already it is given in the question. The altitude is, this is base number. X is what? We have assumed base as x na. So base will be 12 centimeter. And it is given that the altitude is 7 centimeter less than base. How much you got base? 12. 12 minus 7 is 5 centimeter. That is what beta? Altitude. Therefore, base is how much? 5. And altitude is how much? 12, altitude 5, and hypotenuse. What are these three? Pythagorean triplets. Note it down.